Hey team, it's another wonderful day here at Agile Dev, and what I have for you today is just showing you how to create a simple backup of your website. It's really important that we keep websites backed up. We do daily backups for all of our clients, but if you're not a client of ours and you just need to get a backup of your site, here's how you do it in a really easy way. So once you're logged in, you can go ahead and go to your dashboard, go to your plugins, go to Add New. Now we're going to be using a service called Updraft, and so what we'll do is, you saw me click that, but we can actually just do it here. We'll just type in Updraft, and this WordPress is what we're going to be using, and we're just going to use the free version of the software, and that's going to be good enough for what we want to do with it. So we'll activate it. Once you activate yours, it should prompt you to click here on the settings to set it up, and when you do that, we'll come in here. We see backup and restore. We can hit backup now, but first let's go ahead and set where we want it to go. Now yours is probably going to look more like this, where it has manual on it, and this is set to 1 or 2, but let me just explain what's going on here. Now files are your website files. Your database is obviously your database. Those are both important to backup, and we usually just set those up to go at the same time. If you're on your site like once a month or so making changes, you may as well just do weekly, but I probably wouldn't do fortnightly or monthly. You might as well just have weekly or daily updates. Again, Agile Dev, we do daily updates just because you never know when you're going to need it. So we're going to hit daily on both of these. With this is just how many copies of your website it's going to keep in here before it deletes them, basically. So I just put 5. If I'm doing daily, I might put that up higher, just so I have a week or maybe 2 weeks worth of backups. But if you're doing weekly, 5 is probably going to be good enough. That's over a month. So if we come down here, we're going to choose where we want it to go. Now, UpdraftPlus does have a vault where you can send it there. I think it's like an extra $1 or so a month. And that's a great option. Dropbox is great, Google Drive. There's some other services here that you can do as well, but I'm just going to hit email. This is going to send it to the admin in the settings and then the general tab. So whoever's email is in there, that's where it's going to send. The rest of this stuff you can just leave as it is and hit save. Now we're going to go up here to backup and restore. And we're going to go ahead and hit backup now. It's going to prompt us with this message. I'm just going to keep it as it is, and I'm going to hit backup. Now if your website's big, it may take 20-30 minutes, could take an hour. This website is really small, so it's going to be done here in just a few seconds. Here it is. So the backup has finished running, and it has now emailed that to me, and it has the database plugins, themes, uploads, and other stuff that it sent me. Now I can, let's say that I installed another plugin, and all of a sudden it just completely broke my site, and I just can't figure out how to get it back to where it is. Well, I know I can update it back to this time, and I can just hit restore and do that. And we'll cover that in a different video. But for now, you successfully have backups on your website. We have daily backups, and we have 5 days of backups that we can choose from, and those will just kind of stack right here as they come in. Alright, so if you have any questions about installing UpdraftPlus, sending yourself backups, or any of that, you can reach us at support@agiledev.org, or you can go to our website, agiledev.org, and you can reach us there on our contact forms. Have a great day. Thanks.